Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Epic Games Launcher cache. The first thing I want you to do is just come to the bottom left, right click on your start icon, and then I want you to come here and click on Task Manager, and I need you to just go ahead and search up Epic. And what you need to go ahead and do is I need you to go ahead and close any Epic Games tasks. So come here, click on this, click on End Task, and once the tasks end, you can just go ahead and close this one. And on your keyboard, press the Windows icon plus R. This will open up the Run dialog and just type in percentage local app data percentage. Hit OK, and it will actually open up this folder. I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you actually see Epic Games Launcher. I want you to go ahead and click on this, and you'll see a folder named Web Cache, for example. I want you to just go ahead and right click on it, and then come here and just delete it. And there you go, you have deleted and cleared the cache. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.